Guten Tag, we are DPTV, and today we're going to do a little taste test here in Germany.
We're in Frankfurt right now. We're at the Skyline Plaza. They have the only Chipotle in Germany. So what we're going to do, we're going to head inside and try a Chipotle burrito. I've seen YouTubers in series, everything, they eat Chipotle a lot, and I love burritos, but I never had a Chipotle burrito. So we're going to head in, and I'm going to try my first Chipotle burrito ever.
Let's see if he likes it.
It's right there. Doesn't look that spectacular. We're going to try it out. Hallo, ich hätte gerne den Burrito mit Hühnerfleisch. Ja, ist das in Ordnung? Vom Machen. Darf man nicht? Weird thing just happened. When I ordered, I wanted to film the order and how they make the burrito, but the woman at the counter said, "There's no filming allowed. It's not allowed to film that."
Yeah, that was kind of weird. Some places are particular if you can film or not. We weren't including her in any of the shots, just the food, but maybe they don't want to. They don't want you to see them prepare the food.
I just wanted to show how it's made, but anyway, I'm outside now. Got two burritos.
Chicken burrito.
First Chipotle burrito ever. I got the chicken burrito, no guac, just the usual with tomatoes and everything. It's pretty heavy, it feels good. Doesn't look that big, but it's pretty heavy, so let's see how it is.
A few moments later.
It's pretty good. It's awesome. It's not very meaty. It's a lot of rice and stuff in there, but it tastes very good. I love it. It's good. I never had a Chipotle burrito. I love burritos though, and in Germany, Mexican food, burritos in general are not very common. We have this kebab variation in a wrap, but it's slightly different. This is pretty good. Might be the best burrito I had.
This will be the true test. I'll see if it tastes like Chipotle back home. When I was in Charleston, South Carolina, I lived there with my roommate. He legit ate Chipotle like every day. I don't know, there was one time he went to Chipotle twice, maybe 3 times in a day. But every week at least, he would at least have a burrito and chips and guac. So we will see. So much food. Okay. So I got a chicken burrito. I always get a chicken burrito with brown rice and black beans, hot salsa, and corn. It's a good burrito, don't get me wrong, it's okay, but it doesn't taste like Chipotle back home. The breading is a little different. I think the tortilla isn't as thick. It's like kind of a doughier bread. The salsa is hot, like it tastes like it does normally, but it doesn't have, I don't know, it doesn't taste exactly the same as I remember it, but it's still a really good burrito. Finished eating or getting into some of the burrito. I think what it's missing is the like cilantro taste. There's like a flavor in there that doesn't quite taste the same as like the Chipotle back home. It's still a good burrito. We were in Southeast Asia for the past 6-8 months. This reminds me of home a little bit. It's nice to have some Mexican food. There are a few options in Southeast Asia. Overall, so we're looking at the price. It's €7.95 euros for a burrito plus a water. After tax, it's like $9.90, almost 10 euro as well. It's about the same as the U.S. In the U.S., it is an expensive burrito.
So in the States, it's $8 tax included?
No, taxes afterwards in the States.
So that equals out then?
Yeah.
It's $8, €8 including the tax.
Oh. So we're on the top of the Skyline Plaza, which is where the Chipotle is located. What did you think about your first Chipotle experience?
I think it was pretty good. I anticipated to have the best burrito ever, and I gotta say it was not quite that. I had better burritos before. This burrito was a little bit too heavy rice based, and I would wish that it had a little bit more of meat and beans. Overall, still very good burrito. I just had better ones before. So I would give it a solid 7 out of 10.
It's not exactly the same as the burritos that I remember from back home. It's been 8 months since since I was back in the US, and I had Chipotle right before I left. I've been craving it, I've been wanting it, so I might have talked it up a little too much to Phil. It's a little different. I feel like it's just missing that freshness or that flavor that I'm used to. We'll have to try a Chipotle burrito from the US. But
Definitely.
Yeah, it was overall a satisfying burrito, and I'm glad you finally got to try it.
I will definitely try it again. So thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time. Bye.